welcome back to our grammar class. Feeling very happy to welcome you all again and again. I just want to ask you a question. How are you all? I hope you are all good. Okay. Please make sure that you are safe while you're going out. When you're going out, please wear mask and gloves. Use sanitizer as much as possible. Okay. And don't touch anything in the public places. Okay. With that note, I just going to our class. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the tenses. In the last 4 classes we discussed about tenses only. Okay. Today also one of the tenses, that is the next tense, past tense. Okay. Past continuous tense. We already discussed about the simple past, right? So the continuity. Past continuous tense today. Okay. Past continuous. Okay, past continuous. First, I just explain you once again what is past tense. Okay, past tense, as we know that the past tense refers to an action that was completed before the moment of speaking. Okay, before the moment of speaking, the thing which is completed, the thing which is completed. Okay, before the moment of speaking, that is called as past tense, and that we know, right? Then, what is past continuous? Past continuous. What is the difference between past tense and past continuous? In the sense, past tense is refers to the action that was completed before speaking. Okay, and past continuous in the sense, it is also used to refer an action. It is also used to refer an action that was going on the period of time in the past. Okay, that is going on for the period of time in the past. Okay, that is going, that is called as continuous. Continuous in the sense the thing is happening. Okay, so and we know that past verbs, there are 2 types of past verbs. Okay, before we going to see the sentences in continuous, we have to know the verb. Okay, here was and where are the 2 verbs we are using for past tense. Okay, for what we are using was, and for what we are using where. In the sense, for singular noun we have to use was, and for plural noun we have to use were. Clear? Singular noun was and plural noun were. Okay. Okay, clear? For singular noun we use was, and for plural noun we use were in past tense. Okay, these are the 2 past verbs. Okay, then 3 types of sentences that we know: basic sentence, negative sentence, and the interrogative sentence. Okay, clear? First, the basic sentence structure. I just give you the basic sentence structure. Okay, just look here. How the basic sentence formed, in the sense, I just give the structure or formula like anything. Okay, first was or where. Okay, first we have to use was or where plus present okay, was or where plus present participle of the main verb. Present participle of the main verb. Okay, this is the structure for creating or making a sentence, basic sentence in past continuous. Okay, and the second structure for creating or making a negative sentence in past continuous. Okay, this here. Negative sentence structure. Now we are going to discuss about the negative sentence structure. Nothing but negative sentence. We make negative sentence using the word not. Okay, using the word not. As we know, as we very well in using not. Okay, because we already discussed in the simple past, present, and future, and also present continuous negative sentences. Right? So I hope you all are very good. So the formula was or were plus negative sentence. So not plus present participle. Okay, present participle. Clear? This is the structure. Okay, this is the structure of making negative sentence in past continuous, right? And the third one is interrogative, and the third one is interrogative. Okay, for interrogative is very simple. I don't have space here, so I just write down the interrogative structure in top of the board. Okay, so interrogative sentence, the structure for interrogative is same thing. Okay, first verb was always plus subject plus pp. Okay, pp in the sense present participle. Here pp is refers present participle. Clear? This is the structure for creating basic sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. Are you clear? So here I have written some example. Okay, after work out this example, you will be very clear in this topic, past continuous, right? So when I went to his house, he dash. Okay, I given the main verb. Okay, I given the main verb, right? So this is a basic sentence, right? Basic sentence says this is a formula was are were plus present participle. Okay, here I is a subject. Okay, I is a subject or I is a noun. Okay, anything you take. I is a singular or plural. In tenses, first thing we have to look on is to be look on the noun's number. Okay, depending upon the noun's number, the verbs gets changed. We have to take the correct verb after looking on the noun's number. Okay, for example, she, I am. Okay, I am a girl, right? I am a girl is right, or I is a girl, right? The first sentence is right, right? I am a girl, because I comes mean am will come. Okay, I am a girl. Okay, I is a girl is wrong. So verb agreement is very very important while speaking about the tenses. Clear? So when I went to his house, he dash. Okay, and the main verb is sleep. I is a singular one. Singular one in the sense was. Singular in the sense was. Okay, so just write was. Was. Basic sentence structure. Basic sentence structure is to be was or were singular. So we use was, then present participle. Then what the condition? Present participle. Present participle in the sense adding ing to the main verb, that is called as present participle. So singular one we used was, sleep, just write the word sleep, ing, adding ing. Okay, was sleeping. Clear? Now read the sentence. When I went to his house, he was sleeping. Okay, this is the action refers. This action refers that was completed in the past. Okay, that was completed in the past. Okay, and the second one, it dashed heavily at night. It dashed heavily at night. This is also a basic sentence. Basic sentence. First we have to look on nouns number. Okay, it is a singular noun. It is a singular noun. Okay, for singular the verb is was. For singular the verb is was. I just give you one clue. I just give you one trick. Okay, just write singular, singular and was. Okay, we have yes in singular, right? We have yes in singular as well as yes in was. So singular means was. Just make it clear. Singular we have yes in singular. In the singular verb we have yes, yes, yes. Okay, if this agree means it is correct. Are you clear? So singular was. I am just going to write was. Was rain. Present participle. Present participle in the sense we know, adding ing, right? So raining. It was raining heavily at night. Very simple. Okay, singular in the sense just write was. Plural in the sense just write were, and add ing to the given main verb. Very simple. Clear? And the second one, negative sentence. Negative sentence. Okay. Here we are going to use not other than nothing. Okay. For example, it was not raining. If it is raining means it is raining. Not raining means not raining. That's all. Have you finished your work? Yes, I finished it. If you are not finished means our answer would be no, I am not finished. Right? The simple one. The birds dash fly. Okay, the same condition going to apply in the base tense. The only thing is adding not. Extra we are adding not. Okay, the birds. Birds are a plural one. Birds is a plural one, right? So plural in the sense where. Okay, plural in the sense where. The birds were. Negative sentence. This is a negative sentence. Okay, so the structure. Just look on the structure. Was or where. We just write where. Okay, we wrote the where because that's a plural one. Where. Not. What we have to add? Not. Not is the condition. Okay, where. Not. Next, present participle. Present participle means adding ing to the main verb. Flying. Okay, fly. Flying. Right? Now read the sentence. The birds were not flying. Clear? The second one, just the second one. He is a singular one. Only one boy or one man. Okay? So he is a singular one. So singular in the sense singular was. Yes, yes. This is a trick I given to you. So was. And what sentence we going to make? Negative sentence. So not. Not. Okay? Not. The given main verb allow. The given main verb allow. Okay. So was not allowing. Okay. So he was not allowing inside us. He was not allowing inside us. Clear? Are you clear with the basic sentence and negative sentence? Okay. Now we are going to discuss about the interrogative sentence. Here we are going to make a question in a past for the past. Okay. The condition or the structure was or were. Sorry, this is a negative sentence. For interrogative is was or were plus subject plus present participle. Okay. Was or were plus subject plus present participle. Clear? Here why dash like that. Okay. Why dash like that. Now I am going to use a subject that is you. Okay, you, I, you plural means the same condition that I already told you, right? Why, where, because I am just going to use a you subject as you. Okay, so why, where, you, why, where, you, that is shout. So present participle shouting. Why were you shouting? Clear? Then second one, what dash to say? What dash to say? Okay. Here I am going to use a singular one. Okay. So what singular in the sense verb is was. Okay. What was she trying? What was she trying to say? What was she trying to say? Okay, are you clear? Once again I repeat all the concepts in Tamil, okay? Because our mother tongue only make us to understand the concept very clearly, but this is a English, so I have to speak in English only. Whether it is right or wrong, I have to speak in English only, whether you understand or not. But for your clearance, I have to use Tamil, okay? Just clear. நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்? Past continuous, ஓகேவா? Past continuous பார்க்க போறோம். So past continuousல past verb என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரெண்டு verb இருக்கு. Was, were, okay? Singular இருந்தா we have to use was, plural இருந்தா were யூஸ் பண்றோம், ரைட்டா? Then basic sentence, ஒரு basic sentence past continuousல மேக் பண்றதுக்கு என்ன ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா was were போட்டுட்டு present participle. இங்க present participleனா எதுவுமே இல்லமா, just adding ing, ஓகேவா? add ing, அதுதான் என்னன்னு சொல்றோம் present participle நம்ம சொல்றோம், ஓகேவா? then was or were போட்டு present participle முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. then negative sentence make பண்றது பாத்தீங்கன்னா was or were same, அப்படியே was or were பக்கத்துல எல்லாம் போட்டு போறோம் not போட்டுட்டு present participle, okay? then இதுல interrogative எப்படி make பண்றது, எப்படி question make பண்றது அப்படி பாத்தீங்கன்னா the same thing was or were, இங்க not போட்டலையா, இங்க என்ன பண்றோம் subject போடுறோம், then present participle, okay? எல்லாத்துமே லாஸ்ட்ல என்ன வந்து பாருங்க present participle, ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல என்ன வந்து பாருங்க was or were, that is verb, ஓகேவா? நடுவுல இருக்கிற விஷயங்கள் மட்டும் தான் எனக்கு சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கு. then இங்க பாருங்க example, when I went to his house he dash, when I went to his house he dash, ஓகேவா? so இங்க என்ன verb யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம், sleep, sleep is a verb here. then when I is a singular one, I is a singular one. then so was singular னா was யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன், ரைட்டா? இன்னொரு ட்ரிக் நான் கொடுத்திருக்கேன், சிங்குலர்னா yes, wasனா yes, ஓகேவா? ரெண்டுல yes yes இருக்கா, சோ சிங்குலருக்கு verb வந்து was அப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, ஓகேவா? ஈஸியா இருக்கும். சோ I வந்திருக்கு, சோ நான் was போட்டேன், present participle of the sleep, sleeping, was sleeping, clear? then it dash heavily at night, it dash heavily at night, ரைட்டா? it is a singular one, it is என்னது singular one, ரைட்டா? so singular என்ன பண்ணிருக்கேன் yes yes ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, சரிங்களா? was raining, it was raining heavily at night, ரைட்? ரொம்ப அதிகமா மழை பெஞ்சது அப்படி சொல்றோமா? நெகட்டிவ் சென்டென்ஸ் பாருங்க, the same condition, birds, birds வந்து plural one, so plural verb bear, okay? நெகட்டிவ்ன்றதுனால not யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கிறோம், bear not flying, okay? present participle எல்லாத்துமே present continuousனாலே ing ஆட் பண்ணணும், clear? then he singular was யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டேன், not நெகட்டிவ்ன்றதுனால not போட்டுட்டேன், allowing present participle, okay? then interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence ஓட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் பாருங்க, was or were plus subject plus present participle. why நான் இங்க you ன்றது you ன்ற subject நான் இங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன், you அப்படிங்கற subject யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன், so நான் were போட்டுருக்கேன், ஓகேவா? ஆல்ரெடி நான் சொல்லிருக்கேன் I you plural, இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே சேம் கண்டிஷன், pluralோட கண்டிஷன் தான் I you வந்துரும், ஓகேவா? so were you shouting, what இங்க நான் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கேன் she, she is a singular word, singular ன்றதுனால was verb, ஓகேவா? was subject she, present participle trying, what was she trying to say, okay? are you clear? இந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே பாஸ் பண்ணி இந்த ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை நல்லா நீங்க எழுதி வச்சிட்டீங்கன்னா it will be very easy for you, okay? thank you so much da. next video la next concept பார்க்கலாம், that is future continuous, okay? if you have any doubt just ask me. thank you so much.